16. Number 16. Please be on stage.
Ara, live man. Ika picture eh.
To give the prize, our committee president will give the prize for the winners. May picture nila.
Claire. Claire. Claire.
Photographer.
I-open ko na, Claire.
Ay, parang mga iPhone 17 Pro Max kulipay doon. Please be on the side now. And for the second minor award,
Pili ilang. Pili.
mo dahil.
Ha?
Ano tayo mabuwak-buwak ng yelo?
Yoy. Service yan.
Baunon.
Na naman.
Ang imo kanulis daw ang baunon.
Ang
Yung legs. Baunon na kita ni.
ara kaganda.
okay, for the second minor award,
Kaganda.
we choose for Zumba Couple Award. Goes to Mrs. Eunice and Mr. Emilio.
Na. Kaya magkait-kait mo kami sa dyan. No?
Ida, couple award naman. Ang
Take a picture.
Huwag may mag-picture. Ta, live, malinaw yun. Live,
naman. May picture.
live, ano yan?
Saka dito kaya picture lang nga ni ma'am.
Ma'am, please be on the side first.
Dadalhin mo
Thank you.
Uy, dito ba yun?
And now, our top three. First, I will call the top three. Down to top one.
Ay, gano'n.
Okay, for tonight's event,
2,000.
our top three. Our top three is no other than
Dasintos.
number 2.
2,000.
Please stay on stage. And for tonight's second prize, sponsored, third prize, sorry, is Mrs. Nina De La Cruz. Thank you so much. Picture.
Nag-live ka?
Oo. May nagtanong.
Beside lang siya.
Sige lang, sir. Naman ikaw, ano? Ikaw mo binibigyan kami kahuman.
Okay. For the top two, Ramon Judith Mata.
Day, dili dayo.
And now, here's the time. Caller top 1. Bet, sino man yung bet? Sino yung bet? Shout it!
Dapat to.
And now, our top. Sino bet? Despin. Thank you so much for tonight's event. Dili yun ni mahitabo kung dili tungod sa inyo. Kung wala yung mga participants. So, my heartfelt gratitude to all of you.
Bakwin ka?
So, patungaan na yung mga tao kay mag-photo up kita bisa way mag-pictures. Pagpa-picture na rin kami ha. And to all Patawanons, tomorrow we were going to have our Matcha Day event. And for the afternoon events, we have a bingo. So, gipanghatag, gipang-distribute na to. At hindi gipanghatag, gibaligyan na to ni Mads Maribik.